Welcome back to Buildbox Academy. Today we're going to take a look at the touch node. So I'm just creating a 3D project. So we'll wait for that to load and we're going to head straight into the 3D world. And I'm going to use the cube for this project. So we'll double click into the cube. Let's find the nodes. And okay, first of all, let's get our touch node. So basically whenever we touch the screen, this node will fire. So we need it to do something. So let's get one of my favorite nodes, the debris explosion. We'll add that in. But for this to work, we need an asset in here for the explosion. So I'm going to go back to the 3D world, head into the asset library. We'll add another cube. And let's call that one debris so we don't get confused. And let's see, while we're here, I'm going to change the color of that 3D model. Good, and we'll head into the asset and we'll pick debris, scroll down, hit save. Now if we just run this, yeah, we've got our explosion, but we've also got the original cube left there. And you'll notice here I can tap anywhere on the screen and it affects the asset we've hooked it up to, which is perhaps not what you would want. So there is another touch node we can use, which I'm going to hook up, which is the isTouch node. So this will affect just this asset. So it means we need to tap this cube to trigger the explosion. So I can tap up here, nothing happens, not until we actually hit the cube. Okay, let's tidy this up a little bit to make it look a bit nicer. I'm going to add a remove node, and this will remove the original cube when the explosion happens. Yeah, we're looking good. Probably a bit much on that explosion, too many particles, so I'm going to lower the amount of particles. Yeah, that's looking good. Let's have a look. Now I'm going to go into the debris asset, and it would be nice if these disappeared. So I'm going to look for the scale animation, and we're going to hook that up because we basically want these to scale down to nothing. So cube explodes, then they scale to nothing. Although that happens a little bit quickly, so I'm going to add a delay in there. Just half a second delay, so we can see the cubes and then they scale out. Let's have a look at that. That's pretty good. And I wonder, color animation. Yeah, by hooking this up as well, we could probably get them to fade to nothing. So let's see, let's cancel that out. Yeah, we were using kind of a turquoisey color, weren't we? And let's set the opacity to 0. So now they should, yeah, they scale out to nothing. Cool. All right. So that gives you a quick overview of the difference between the touch and isTouch node. So I hope you found that useful. It's just a quick one today, just to give you a quick look at how the touch nodes, those basic touch nodes work. You can download this project file from buildboxacademy.com, and I will see you in the next one.